Good morning. Today is Saturday. I figured we could do a little weekend vlog. I didn't vlog yesterday because I just worked and then I came home and it was honestly a rough day. So we're gonna do a little Saturday, Sunday weekend vlog action. So we're gonna get dressed. I redid my closet. Not really redid, but I decorated my closet yesterday a little bit better than it was before. I got a new rug and I got a new little ottoman, so I'm gonna show you. So this is the rug I got from Target. I'm obsessed with it. It's like a gray, brown, cream-ish type pattern. I don't really know what it's called, but the rugs were 20 or 30% off at Target. And then I got this little leather ottoman for me to sit on at my desk, and I just thought it went well. Don't mind my packed hamper. But then I also put this little shelf in here that I already had. And I have my mirror, my neon light. I feel like it just looks so much better with the bigger rug. I did have like a 5x7 rug, but it was just too small for the space. And I honestly, this is the only room in my apartment where I don't love the floors in here. It's just older floors. So I thought this rug looked good. And we're gonna go get ready now. I'm gonna do some light makeup, concealer, bronzer, a little bit of brow gel. So 3, 2, 1. And we're done. This is an awful angle, but here we are. Okay, outfit has been changed. The only thing is my puffer jacket that I wanted to wear is in the car. So we're gonna be a little bit cold while walking to the car, but it's fine. The shirt and jeans are from Target, and then I'm wearing these premium good Sophia Nike Air Force Ones. That's the fit. All right, Lorenzo ordered pink beans, so I just picked it up. I got a mojo and a turkey bacon, egg and cheese. My eye is like burning. I'm trying out new contacts, so we're in the adjustment period. But I'm gonna head to his house now, and yeah, I'll update you later. Okay, just helped Lorenzo finish building this desk. Let's go get my nails done right now. They look extremely rough, so let's go do that. I'm obsessed. So I did just regular French, and then I had her put the chrome on top of it. I've done the Hailey Bieber nails before, but I don't know. They're a little pointier than I normally do, but I honestly really like them. But yeah, Vitalina at Diamond Nails killed it as always. Currently doing laundry right now. I feel like I cannot catch up on laundry. I don't know if it's because of vacation or what, but I just feel like it just keeps coming. And I'm only one person. Like, I don't have kids yet. I'm not doing anybody else's laundry. I just have so much of it. All right, I changed the fit. Don't judge me. I wore this morning. I know. But I am heading to dinner with Karina, and then we are going to go watch the Magic Mike movie. So I changed into something a little bit more comfortable. We're gonna go watch Magic Mike. Magic Mike review.
10 out of 10. Would recommend to anybody.
100%. Good night. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It is 9:30. I am about to just do some tidying around the house and then get ready for brunch. I really wanted to go tanning because I know it's bad, but I have 2 like tans left at the salon, so I wanted to use them before Nashville. So I'm gonna try to do that and like go there quick and then come back and get ready. We'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but we'll see how fast I can get this apartment clean. So here we go. Dishes are finally done. Now I have to fill my like pill organizer for the week with all of like my vitamins and stuff like that. So it's been like a full week since I threw that Valentine's Day party. And I realized that I did vlog me getting ready for the Valentine's Day party. So while I clean up these balloons and like the banners that I should have taken down like a week ago, I've been looking in the viewfinder this whole time. I'm sorry, it's gonna take some getting used to. But while I do this, I'm gonna throw in the clips that I have of me getting ready for the Galentine's Day party. So, we'll start that now.
Please enjoy!
I don't know if you guys can see me, but I am currently setting up the little photo booth that I'm gonna have. So I got these heart garlands that I showed you yesterday on Amazon. So I'm gonna like put them up behind here. We just got back and we stopped at the liquor store. Now Ashley's losing consciousness while blowing up these balloons. Alright, I'm working on the charcuterie board while Ashley is on chocolate covered strawberry duty. So, time lapse begins now. I went to Aldi's today and I found these Pinkaboo pine berries. There's a lot from there. My hands are covered in chocolate.
Same.
We're gonna try them and do a taste test. Which one do you want?
I want like
I don't want this one.
the yellow one. You take the stem off? Oh.
I mean, it's like a regular strawberry. Cheers. Cheers. It's not much different from a regular strawberry.
Just, yeah. I think it's a little sweeter than a strawberry.
Yeah.
But
Would I buy them again? Probably not.
is it like a pineapple strawberry? I don't know, because it's pine berry, but maybe because it looks like a pineapple. I don't taste pineapple on that.
No, I don't think it has anything to do with pineapples. I think it's just like a weird strawberry. I'm gonna give it like a
5 out of 10.
yeah,
It's okay.
5, 6 out of 10.
Cute.
Don't worry.
Girl.
I'm waiting for my 5 seconds of fame because of her.
Where's this
That's
vlog
true.
going?
We got heart-shaped pizza. I don't know why they were. They did not cut it though, and I do not have a pizza cutter,
0
so
out of 10.
broken-hearted. Also, why did they only put pepperoni around the rim?
Oh yeah, me too. So anyone's wearing rings.
Yeah.
Hey, like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see.
It's giving wedding.
Giving Valentine's.
It's giving Valentine's Day. It's giving wedding.
It's giving.
It's giving.
It's just giving. Yours.
Hers is given.
Currently getting ready for brunch. I have dry shampoo in my hair. Shout out to Remy Ashton for this hack. You put dry shampoo in your hair while you're doing your makeup, and then at the end you zhuzh it out. So that's what I've been doing lately. I think I'm gonna wear this fit with black jeans, and I don't really know what shoes. We'll find out, but I'm supposed to be ready in 20 minutes. I feel like I can make that happen. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for like Fenty. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I just think it's so pretty. It's in the shade Ice. So, and now we're gonna zhuzh out the hair. I got my hair done last week. I forgot to update. I lightened it a little bit and I love it. It's taking some getting used to, like looking at myself with lighter hair, but I feel like older. I don't know, I feel like I look a little bit older and I'm into it. So we're gonna throw in a couple curls. I have this O&M texture spray. I'm just gonna spray this throughout. I want like short layers now. I don't know. I'm into it. I like it. It's a little bit smaller of a curl than I normally do, but it's fine. Let's get dressed. If you aren't using this perfume, you need to go buy it now. It's the Dossier Ambery Saffron. It's the dupe for Baccarat Rouge. And I'm obsessed and I get so many compliments on it. I've put so many people onto it. Trust me, this one is so good. Long time no see! It's Abby's birthday.
27. Oh my god.
Look what my Kato friend got me. I'm so cold and I have to pee. We're waiting for an Uber because Karina left us
I broke my hand.
out in the wild abandonment. No words. I'm back home. We're watching You People now with Lorenzo, but he doesn't want to be on camera. But here we are. Say hi. Hello. We're also playing Rummy. I have 115 and Lorenzo has 90 and they're cringing at me. Rummy. Excuse my loud heater. I don't want to shut it off because I am very cold right now. But I just wanted to hop on and end the vlog for this weekend. It was such a good day today. Brunch was good, and then Lorenzo and my mom came over. We had dinner together and played Rummy, and then me and my mom watched the movie You People on Netflix, and it was pretty good. It was like, I feel like the acting was like not good and it was kind of corny, but like it was a good movie. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys had fun following me along this weekend, and I will see you in Nashville. I'm so excited for Nashville, so I'll see you then.